Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 128. If we start with this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 2 here and a 9 here, so this is our 6. 9 here, so 2, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. For this column, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 8, no help here. 3, 7, 8, same here. 3, 7, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 covering these two boxes, so our 4 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this bottom row, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 3 here and a 6 here, so this is our 5. Six here, so 3, 6, and that makes this our 3. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, 6, and 9. We've got 5, 6, and 9 here, so this is our 2. 6 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 6 here, so 9, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this box, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. For this column, we're missing 3 and 4. And I don't see any help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 8. But I don't see any other help. So 1, 2, 1, 2. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here and an 8 here, so this is our 4. That 8 makes this our 7. 8. That 7 makes this our 2, 7. For this box now, we need 1, 2, and 8. We've got an 8 covering these two boxes, so our 8 must be here. 2 here, so 1, 2. For this row now, we're missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this column, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. For this column, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 5 covering here and a 5 covering here, so our 5 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 9 here, so 4, 9. Let's see now. Oh, I think there's a mistake somewhere. Oh, maybe not. Okay. So in this row, the only place the 1 can be is here. That makes this R2. That 2 makes this R3, 2. That 3 makes this R4, 3. And for this row now, we're missing an 8. For this row, we're missing a 3. And this row, we're missing a 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.